Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make JjSploit work. First, you'll need to temporarily disable your antivirus software. This is a crucial step to prevent interference during the download and installation process. Next, download the JjSploit executable from a trusted source online. Once downloaded, extract all the files into a new, dedicated folder on your computer. This keeps everything organized and ready for the next steps. After setting up, launch JjSploit by running it as an administrator. This ensures it has the necessary permissions to function correctly. Before clicking Attach, make sure your target application is already open and running. Then, simply click the Attach button within the JjSploit interface. This action connects JjSploit to the running application, allowing it to interact with it effectively. Now for script execution. Paste your desired script directly into the large text editor area within JjSploit. It's important to double-check that the script syntax is correct and complete to avoid errors. Once your script is in place and verified, simply click the Execute button. JjSploit will then run the script, performing the actions you've specified within the target application. To ensure smooth operation, remember to re-enable your antivirus software once you're finished using JjSploit. Regularly updating JjSploit is also key for maintaining compatibility and accessing new features. Always use scripts from reputable sources to minimize potential issues or security risks. Following these tips will help you have a more reliable and secure experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.